Hello friends, welcome friends everywhere. In this part, let's learn fraction addition and subtraction without fear. Let's tackle this challenge. We have these two fractions, 9 over 7 and 2 over 3, and we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom, so we have 9 times 3, which is equal to 27. Multiply the first bottom times the second top, so we have 7 times 2, which is equal to 14. Now just add those two numbers, so we have 27 plus 14, which is equal to 41. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 7 times 3, which is equal to 21. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.